My goal in life. Everyone has a dream, and my goal in life is to become a doctor. I have always wanted to help people and make a difference in their lives. Seeing doctors save lives and care for patients inspires me to work hard and achieve this dream. To reach my goal, I know I must study hard and never give up. Science is my favorite subject, and I enjoy learning about the human body. I also believe that a good doctor must be kind and patient, so I try to develop these qualities every day. I know the journey will not be easy, but I am ready to face any challenges. With determination and effort, I believe I can make my dream come true. One day, I hope to wear a white coat and help people stay healthy.